Friends, let's make a tabletop s'mores maker. Oh, hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this Model Magic. It is like air dry clay, and I take a piece and I make a little square. It's a marshmallow. Look at how cute it is. I do 2 marshmallows. And then I have some sticks. I took mine off of my grapevine wreath and I put a little glue on it and I put the stick onto our marshmallow. Again, 2 of those. Then I take a bigger ball of that air dry clay and what I'm trying to do is make the shape of a little campfire. Okay. Did that. And then I used my scissors and I cut a couple pieces in it, but not all the way through. And we're going to be making the flames with this. Just kind of listen, don't get crazy. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's kind of cartoony, and that's what I was going for. But see how I'm just kind of molding them so that it kind of looks like a flame. How cute, right? Then we're going to glue that right to our terracotta pot. Ta-da! Next, I'm going to glue some more sticks, and I'm just going to go crisscross applesauce on the bottom with the sticks on the flame. Now, listen. There are a lot of mistakes made in this project, this being one of them. I should have probably painted everything before I did that, but whatever. So I took some dishwasher safe Mod Podge and I added some food coloring. I did red and orange and just to make different colors to make it look more like flames. And I painted it on our little situation here. Could it have been better? Yes. But I'm not mad because you know what? I wasn't thinking clearly and it still worked out. So hooray for that. But if you were to do it, you might paint the flames first. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. It did not turn out poorly. So I'm not thinking that it was a huge mess up, but it was a little more challenging for sure. And no, this air dry clay is not dry yet. I just molded it and stuck it on there. Will it work forever? Probably not. But it works for right now, and that's good enough for me. But all I'm doing right now is just trying to make it look like an ombre kind of thing. How fun, right? Now we're going to put some more hot glue on our pot, and we're going to glue on our little marshmallow stick contraption. And I did glue the stick on as well, just to make sure that it was, not poking out. And there's that. I am sorry. I am loving this. It is so like cartoonish and whimsical. Oh, listen, and I'll be honest with you. This all happened because I didn't want to take out my Cricut and print vinyl. What we do to avoid stuff is amazing. Then in my stash, I found some glow in the dark paint and was like, well, we got to add that. Inside the terracotta pot, I'm just going to ball up some tin foil. And then I had found a little sterno pot at Dollar Tree. I know. So I put that in the center. And then I did another, it's just a rope of, words are so hard. Aluminum foil. I put that around it. And then I added some little rocks that I had gotten at Dollar Tree and quit it right now. Like, look at this is adorable, but we could put this on our picnic table, light the little sterno pot, and now you can do your s'mores on the picnic table. You don't have to build this huge campfire. What? I know, right? Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.